kicked out there. The waves were just super sucky today. Only caught like 2 waves. I was out there for like an hour, but still 100% worth it and a great way to start this day. So goodbye, Costa Rican beach bungalow. We will miss you. Goodbye, surfboards. I wish I got better at surfing. Goodbye, Chunchi. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss you, buddy. We were saying our last goodbyes to Stasia because we were one by one leaving. We had Liz who left first, then AJ left, and now we are leaving Stasia, unfortunately. No! Leaving her all by herself. Bye, Stasia. We gotta jump in the pan because we are late. So we've been driving for a couple of hours now, and we're at this like roadside restaurant grabbing some food here. But I'm not sure if I told you guys, but we are leaving Costa Rica and heading to Nicaragua for about a week and a half. But we are going to miss Costa Rica because Costa Rica was amazing. The place we were staying was super cool, having access to the beach, surfing, some of the best sunsets I have ever seen. In fact, last night's sunset was probably the best sunset I've ever seen. I'll put a clip in right here. This is seriously the prettiest sunset I have ever seen. Holy cow. And that was without any color grading or anything. It was just that pretty and that pink and orange and really, really cool. So yeah, we're gonna miss Costa Rica, but I think, yeah, we're all super excited to see what Nicaragua has to offer. But today I think it's gonna be a long travel day. I think we have like a couple more hours in here, then we get to the border of Nicaragua, then we have a few more hours to get to, I think it's either Managua or Poore, and we'll be there for, like I said, like a week and a half. So yeah, today's gonna be a long travel day. I think we're all excited to get to Nicaragua. Hola. But she's saying, do you need Nicaragua money now?
Oh, do we need it?
All right, welcome to the Nicaraguan border. Yeah, we have to get this line. I'm guessing this line back here to kind of go through customs. We were supposed to potentially need a yellow fever shot, but the town we were in Costa Rica didn't offer that. Like the medical center didn't offer that because they were all out of it. So we're just gonna have to kind of hope they don't check for the shot here at the border. We've heard it's like pretty lax, but we just don't know. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get in. So I have made it successfully out of Costa Rica, and they didn't need any proof of any shot. I'm not sure if that's going to change once we get into, or try to get into Nicaragua. Maybe they'll require it, but so far so good. Now I'm just waiting for Lindsay and Laura to be done getting their passport stamped, and then we should be good to go. So we've officially been stamped out of Costa Rica. Now we are walking down this like no man's pathway, or no man's zone pathway, all the way to the Nicaraguan border, where we're gonna see if we can get in without that yellow fever shot. So wish us luck. So that might have been, wait, gotta get a picture of the sign here. Bienvenidos a Nicaragua. Welcome to Nicaragua. That was maybe the most lax customs I've ever seen. It was like literally a lady in a chair. Just, oh, there's your passport. Great, you're in. I was super relaxed. So. Welcome back to the vlog. So The last scene should have been me laughingly being like, oh, Nicaragua, this is the easiest customs I've ever gone through. Turns out I was wrong. Shortly after that clip, we had to go through several other checkpoint barriers, all that were like spread out and like really disorganized and weird, and you had to pay, but if you didn't have US dollars, and they only accepted US dollars, so if you didn't have US dollars, you had to like go to this ATM, and it's like this whole like, just Nicaragua customs is just the worst coming from on the border there between Costa Rica. But long story short, they scanned my bag and saw that it had a drone in it, and then they took the drone. And then the guy afterwards was like trying to get me to pay him money and like bribe him to get me the drone, but like not now, like 10 days from now. And it was this whole thing, and it was just a little frustrated right now. Kind of questioning why I left Costa Rica, which was paradise, to go to Nicaragua, which I'm not a huge fan of at this very moment. But yeah, I'm gonna cut things here because I don't feel like filming anything else while I'm in this state. But when we cut back here, maybe I'll be in a better mood, and I'll show you where I'm staying here while I'm in Nicaragua. So, welcome back to the vlog, where everything's happy and fun and nothing bad ever happens. It's the next day here. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've spent most of the day working on my computer, getting stuff done. This is kind of a day one in Costa Rica vlog I'm working on. But yeah, we're here. It's a super cool place. I think I'm going to end this video in a second here, but before I do that, let me give you a quick tour of the place. We have kitchen here, living room, my bed, then we have Lindsay and Laura's rooms in here, and then the main selling point of this place is the outdoor balcony. Ooh. Yeah, it's got a big, nice, long balcony that overlooks all of the ocean. A lot of like surfing goes on like right in this little bay, and then the sun sets right there. And the sunsets here are incredible. But yeah, so that's where we're staying for. That's where we're staying for like 4 or 5 days. And yeah, super cool place. The only downside is there are a ton of bugs. Not only in my place here, but like just outside in general, there's tons of bugs. But besides that, really cool place, really excited to be here. And I'm feeling a little bit better about the drone stuff. Obviously it still sucks, but gotta make the best of the situation here and just enjoy Nicaragua. And got a lot of cool stuff coming up from here that I will definitely show you guys later. I'll give you more of like a comprehensive tour of like the bay, the big nice cool rock that's over here, and all kinds of stuff. So if you want to see future videos, click that subscribe button because I have a lot of cool stuff coming up. And then if you've liked this video, or if you want to make me feel better about myself and the whole drone situation, click that like button because it definitely makes a difference. But on that note, I think that's a good place to end it. So the show is over, vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video.